Hi, I am Priya from Iotics Technology. We are the smart switch manufacturers based in India. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Google Home app and link it with the Iotics Smart Home skill. After linking, you can control your Iotics devices such as lights, fan, AC and more with simple voice commands. Before we begin, make sure your Iotics device is installed and added to the Iotics app. Tip: rename your switches clearly in the Iotics app, which helps you to easily identify and control them using the Google Home app. If you need any help with the installation or app setup, feel free to reach out to our support team. You will find the contact details on our website www.iotics.io. Now let's get started. First, install the Google Home app and set up your profile. For that, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google Home. Click Install and install the Google Home app. Once installed, open the app. Tap Get Started and allow notification based on your preference. Select your Google Home account and then tap Next button. Note, while clicking OK or Next button, if any pop-up asks for location access, then choose while using the app option. Now you will see the home screen. Next, link your Iotic Smart Home service to your Google Home account. Tap the plus button near the account icon and choose Device option from the pop-up window. On the next screen, choose the Link Apps or Services option. On the Home Control screen, search for Iotics Home. Then tap the Iotics Home option. Tap Continue option to link your account. Select Agree and Continue option to accept the terms and conditions. Now sign in with your Iotics username and password and then click Continue button. Note, make sure you enter the same username and password which you used in the Iotics app. If you don't remember your password, go to the Iotics app and choose Forget Password option and reset it. Then come back to the Google Home app and continue. When you see the message linking with your Iotics Home account, wait a moment until the device sync. Once syncing is complete, you can able to see all the switches which is in your Iotics account. After your Iotics devices are fetched, assign each switch to a room so that you can easily control your switches with single voice commands. Once syncing is complete, select the switches you want to assign to a room. Then tap Add to a Room button at the bottom. On the next screen, from the list of room names, select the room name or choose Add a Custom Name which is at the bottom to create a new one. Tap Next and enter the new name if required. Tap Continue and repeat the process for all the switches. After assigning all the devices, you will see the message your devices have been added to Google Home. Then tap Done. Now return back to the main devices screen. Note, you can move assigned and unassigned switches to a room at any time. To reorganize a device, long press the device tile and select Settings icon at the top and then select the required room. Now in your Google Home app, you can view and control all your connected devices such as lights, fan, AC, geysers and etc. You can either control them through the voice command or using the app. On the home screen, tap All Devices option at the top. All your connected devices will be listed here along with their assigned room names. You can also use voice commands along with Google Assistant to control your devices. For example, to control the individual switches, just say, "Hey Google, turn on the night lamp." Now the light lamp will turn on. "Hey Google, turn on the fan." "Hey Google, turn the fan speed to low."
Sure, setting the fan speed to low.
Now the fan speed will set to low. To control entire room lights, just try to say, "Hey Google, turn on bedroom lights. Now all the three lights will turn on. Automations let you combine multiple actions into single voice command, which is perfect for simplifying your daily routine. For example, when you say, "Hey Google, good morning," the light and fan may turn off, the geyser may turn on, and curtains can open. Here is the steps how to set it up the automation. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Then choose the automation option from the pop-up window. Then tap add name option and enter your name for the automation. For example, good morning. Now we have 3 steps to follow. The first step is choose a starter. Starter tells Google when to run the automation. Tap the plus icon near the starter. Select Hey Google from the list of options. Now enter your trigger phrase. For example, good morning. Then tap done. Second step is add conditions. This is optional. Here you can add extra options like time and day. The third one is add actions. Now decide what should happen when you say this trigger command. Now tap the plus icon near actions. Then select device option. Now choose the device you want to control. Now select the actions whether to turn on or off accordingly. Now tap done. Now repeat the steps for all the devices you needed. For example, now I said left light to turn on and the night lamp and the AC to turn off. Next, save the automation. Once all the devices are added, tap the save option at the top right to save your automation. To run the automation, simply say, "Hey Google, good morning." Now the night lamp and the AC will turn off and the light will turn on, exactly the way you set it up. If you add new devices or rename them in the Iotics app after linking with your Google Home account, please don't worry. Google Home can refresh them easily. For that, refresh the all devices page or use single voice command to sync the devices. For example, "Hey Google, sync your devices." This command will refresh the devices easily. Google Home will automatically search and sync your updated devices. You are now successfully set up the Google Home with your Iotic Smart Home skill. You can now control your devices anytime, either using the Google Home app or using a single voice command. Thank you for watching this video.